Yes, he is right here. Samir Dharmadkari is watching you. So guys, if you guys excited, I am very excited to meet him. So he'll be with us in few minutes. I am just going to add him. Yes, added Insta much. So मुझे लगा कि he will be sending a request. But
Hi folks.
wow,
Good to see you.
very good to see you. So, Samir ji, welcome to our show, Digital Live Discussion. This
Thank
is
you so much.
organized by Talent Runway in association with Talent Pulla. So, welcome to our
Okay.
show,
Thank you.
and you're looking handsome as usual.
Thank you so much. Yeah, we really go back in time, Rishwit. I remember one of the films you had designed for me. You had made
Yes.
me look great, I'll say. It's been a long time now.
How sweet of
So,
you.
this
It feels so
is
good, when you meet your friends from old time. This is
yes,
always
yes,
good.
yes.
और आप तो हमेशा से एवरग्रीन जैसे दिखते थे वैसे ही मुझे
I don't know. I think so. हाँ, अभी आज मैंने शर्ट पहनी है, बड़ी इंटरेस्टिंग है. बाद में आप धीरे 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 देखोगे उसमें क्या लिखा है.
Oh, so it is going to be surprising for everyone.
वो एक्चुअल बोले से मैंने पहना, बट इट्स so well. How was the lockdown for you guys here?
Guys, are you excited? Because he's asking how's the lockdown going on. Kavya is writing, welcome Samir ji. So,
Oh, thank you so much.
Samir, I wanted to, ask you a few questions. I wanted to ask about your journey so far. Like, you have done modeling, acting, you have been from done theater also. So, I wanted to know how you started in this.
Well, it was a fluke, I'll say. Some things are destined, and it was destined for me to be an actor. Well, the journey was is fantastic, and yeah, the advertising days, they are good. Like, they were good. Feature films. I remember at that time we used to have a weekly show, and then feature films. But ads, yeah, I think so. In that time, that period of time, I did a lot of commercials, ad films and commercials, and luckily, all the ad films or whatever work I did, which was acting oriented, it was not more on the fashion side. Uh, like I was not much into ram shows. I started with ram shows, but that was not in Mumbai. That was in Pune. So yeah, modeling got me into films. Started with theater. It was because of my wife. My wife used to do theater at that point of time when I wanted her to be my girlfriend. तो उसको पटाने के चक्कर में मैंने ऐसे खड़ा हो गया, यार चलो चलते हैं. तब I used to work for Kirloskar at that time. तो ये पटाने के चक्कर में घोड़ा बन गया था एक नाटक में. तो 3 दिन के बाद एक टूर आ गई, तो I started ये ना ठीक आहे. अगं ते जळलेला चहा आहे. हा, चुकून जळला. बरं, जरा चालू आहे माझं काहीतरी. बाय. सॉरी फोक्स. हाँ, तो वो लड़की गर्लफ्रेंड तो बन गई. अभी मेरी बीवी है. अभी जस्ट आके गई. शी वाज आस्किंग मी समथिंग. तो somehow I got introduced to theater because of her, and she used to do a lot of theater. एंड उसको बताने के चक्कर में शादी हो गई. देन स्टार्टेड वर्किंग. देन आई गॉट इंट्रोड्यूस टू सम फैशन पीपल इन पुणे. राजेश बैनी, वो सॉ मी इन एन अमेच्योर शो. उसकी भी एक कहानी थी. तो लकीली वो एक अमेच्योर शो कर लिया. मेरे बहन की एक दोस्त है, उसके चक्कर में. और कुछ प्रोफेशनल्स ने देख लिया मुझे. आई थिंक सो यू कैन हियर मी प्रॉपर्ली.
थोड़ा सा लो आ रहा है.
लो आ रहा है.
My voice was close.
Let me check with that. Yeah, that's Max. और फाइनली रैम शो जिसमें एक महीने की सैलरी मिलती थी वंस यू वॉक, लेकिन वो सिर्फ सीजनल होती थी एट दैट टाइम, सो यू कैंट मेक इट एज एन प्रोफेशन, इट कुड बी एन हॉबी. But when I decided to get into acting as a profession, I initially I did I won't say a lot of, but initial work in Pune, especially fashion, some theatre, and I was lucky to work with few of the real legends in Pune Marathi theatre persons, I'll say, like Vaman Kendare sir, Vijay Kingre, and Sandeep Kaka, Modak Kaka, Anand Modak. So lot many people connected to hardcore theatre. I could really relate to them. But लेकिन ऐसा था कि नहीं कि फैमिली है, बीवी है ना, तो करियर तो बनाना है, पैसा तो चाहिए to live, especially in place like Mumbai. So I started doing professional stuff. तो एक मिला एक के बदौलत चार मिले, चार के बदौलत 16 मिले. And started working in advertising. उससे पहले I used to do a couple of weekly Marathi shows and Hindi shows like Saturday Suspense. Then I worked in Hindi. I worked with Glenn Ankush Moore, and in Marathi with Smita Tarwarkar. Special I did weekly television with her, like Dupur, Chandrasekhar Gokhale. There was a show called Remjim, and got me into films with Madhur. Films at one time was boring and not the right kind of films. Started television with Rashiri Productions, especially the daily soap thing. And मैं तेरी परछाई हूँ, real people liked it, and it
Yes,
was
I
a
met you for first time.
yeah, I think so. Yeah. That was the time we met. So Parchai it was a lovely show and with a limited time, because at that time it was a trend of like having a show for at least 5 years, 6 years. Char leave wala show. So I was very confirmed and I was lucky about it कि यार कहानी खत्म होनी चाहिए यार. ये लगातार endless कहानी नहीं कर पा रहा था मैं. So that's the reason it took me a lot of time to get into television. I was lucky to have a show like मैं तेरी परछाई हूँ. Then उसके बाद झांसी की रानी I did after that. Then I did यहाँ मैं घर घर खेली with Rashiri again. Then I did Ashoka. In between I did a season of Buddha of 52 episodes. Then again I became a king in Ashoka.
Yes.
With Kontulu. Yeah, so that was a long period. उसके बीच में महाभारत का एक एपिसोड मैंने किया था सर, बट दैट वाज बिकॉज ऑफ भारती. एंड उसके बाद मैंने क्या किया टेलीविजन में, या उसके बाद अभी लास्ट जो किया था दैट वाज अ मराठी शो, बिकॉज आई वांटेड टू डू अ मराठी शो फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम. तो आई डिड अ मराठी शो फॉर सोनी, which was again for like only 9 months. So that was the season. And yeah, it was fun to work on it. And अभी कुछ नहीं है. एक was working on a film before the lockdown. The film is ready, but I think so we have to shoot for 2 more days. So that's the film, and yeah, working on a web series for the first time. This time for Z5. And yeah, again we shot like